Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into the world of data processing to understand the key differences between real-time and batch processing. Let's get started by understanding these data processing approaches. On the left side we have real-time processing represented with a lightning emoji, and on the right side we have batch processing represented with a bar chart emoji. Let's delve in to find out more. First up, let's explore batch processing. Batch processing involves processing large volumes of data in chunks, also known as batches, at scheduled intervals. Think of it like collecting all your letters and sending them out at the end of the day. So, batch processing involves processing data at a particular time. It involves the concept of scheduled execution, which is denoted with a clock emoji on the right. Now let's talk about real-time processing. Real-time processing means processing data immediately as it arrives with minimal latency. It's like having a conversation where you respond instantly to what the other person is saying. In real-time processing, the processing is instant. The concept of instant processing is represented with the help of a rotating arrows emoji on the right. Alright, let's pinpoint the key differences between these two approaches. When it comes to latency, batch processing has high latency, ranging from minutes to hours, while real-time processing boasts low latency, often just milliseconds. In terms of data volume, batch processing handles large volumes of data, whereas real-time processing deals with continuous streams. Finally, batch processing operates at scheduled intervals, while real-time processing is immediate. Now let's explore the situations where batch processing shines. Batch processing is perfect for generating daily reports, providing end-of-day analytics and business insights. It's also ideal for ETL, extract transform load, operations, which involve data transformation and loading processes. Daily reports is represented using a bar chart emoji, and ETL operations is represented using a rotating arrows emoji. Now let's explore the use cases for real-time processing. Real-time processing is critical for scenarios requiring immediate responses. One such example is fraud detection, where instant transaction monitoring and alerts are crucial. Another prime example is live notifications, such as chat messages and social media updates. Fraud detection is represented using an alert emoji, and live notifications is represented using a mobile phone emoji. Let's explore the technologies and tools used in each approach. For batch processing, popular choices include Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark, Apache Airflow, and AWS Batch. On the other hand, real-time processing often utilizes Apache Kafka, Apache Flink, Apache Storm, and Redis streams. In short, these are some of the tools that help you achieve batch processing and real-time processing. So, how do you decide which approach is right for you? Choose batch processing when you can afford to wait for results and when dealing with large data volumes. Opt for real-time processing when you need immediate responses and when low latency is critical. If you can wait for the results, then batch processing should be preferred. Otherwise, real-time processing should be preferred. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.